Welcome to Swamp Bites, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Hillary Ake, sports performance dietitian here at the University of Florida. Today I'm going to walk you through a healthy and delicious recipe while cooking with natural gas. Today we're going to be making stuffed burgers. Last year we made these for our national championship baseball team and it was a big hit. First I'm going to break up this lean beef. We like to use a 90-10 whenever possible. Next I'll mix in some seasoning. Once the beef is mixed well with the seasoning, I'm going to make really thin patties because remember there's going to be one patty, stuffing, and then another patty. We try to provide recipes that are easy for our athletes to make at home or in their dorm. These stuffed burgers give them the opportunity to get creative with their cooking. I like cooking with gas because it gives me precise flame and temperature control, perfect for cooking beef as you like it. This is also a great way for us to incorporate more veggies into our athletes' diets, and as you can see, it's a pretty hefty burger, perfect for their big appetites. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can use natural gas at your next tailgate, in your home, or at your business, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.